This video is how to record aftercare login or log out of students. Go log into Fax, click on student clock. At the top you'll see a time override. This would be allowing you to clock in a whole bunch of students at one time. So you could put in the time, 2:45, and then you can hit in on the different kids that it pertains to. This would allow you to also clock them out if they all leave, or if some of them leave at a set time as well. You can do that. And then over here, you could do a bulk entry. So you would put the time here, clock in all of the students that arrived, and then just have to do the individual clock out there. So this is the individual screen, and then this is the bulk where it would be more than one person at a time. You would put in the time. For bulk, you would make your selections, you would hit bulk clock, and then it would clock them in. Let's see. And this is the date of the actual event, so if you needed to change the date, you would need to change it here. Another way to look at an actual, just one student would be student timesheet. Put in the date. I'm going to put, let's see. I don't know that we have any students logged in yet, so we might not be able to see it this way, but you'll be able to make your edits here. So students with clock record, you would have the date, students with clock record, and then you would be able to edit the actual times, but currently no one is put in here yet. So again, menu, student timesheet, student clock, those will allow you to edit the aftercare. Thank you.